Nakikinig pa rin po tayo sa DZUP 1602 sa programang Kwentuhang Pets at iba pa. Guest natin ngayon si Luis Buenaflor ng Animal Kingdom Foundation. And kung nakikinig po tayo, kayo kanina, narinig nyo, Luis is a very, very enthusiastic and interesting guest. Kaya masarap i-guest ito si Luis dahil nakakatawa.
Fire and brimstone.
Yeah, exactly. But anyway, Luis, sabi nila, ano daw, hindi naman nila layunin na totally tanggalin daw na totally ibalik ang tambucho gasing. They just want time para daw yung mga LGUs makapag adjust doon sa budget nila at eventually tatanggalin naman daw ang tambucho gasing. They just want to give the LGUs time.
We agree with that. We do not say no to that. In fact, we are for a gradual phase out. Yung namin ganito, tanggalin natin yung law or yung AO that legalizes or gives legality to tambucho.
Or at least take out that part that says
Just take out that part.
Yes.
Kasi sa totoo lang, the whole AO is about carbon monoxide.
Okay.
We never said na tanggalin yung carbon monoxide.
Mhm.
Kasi yung tambutso na yan is a bastardization of tambutso. Parang naghanap ka lang ng cheap substitute na mayroon namang ibang paraan na gawin i-fulfill yung tambutso, yung carbon monoxide.
Okay.
So yung tambutso na yan is the cheap easy way to do it, which of course is cruel. Kasi kung nakita mo lang, I have seen it, up close and personal, it's really cruel. The tambucho itself is already cruel because as I explained, it suffocates the dogs to death, and any live animal, any sentient being suffocated to death is of course cruel because you feel pain.
Right.
That by itself is already cruel. The manner of bringing the dogs to the box,
The steel box.
is also cruel.
How do they do it?
They would bring the dogs from, let's say, a truck or yung malapit na pound, kasi malapit naman to sa pound. They just drag the dogs. Tapos throw the dogs to the...
Saan ito yung nakita mo, Luis?
I've seen one sa Kidapawan
Oo.
in Cotabato, and one is also in Magpet in Cotabato.
And in both occasions, ganun ang ginawa?
Ganon.
Oh.
In fact, one of the worst that I have seen was in Cagayan de Oro. This is another method. Mayroon silang the pound, they call the pound, is in the middle of a garbage dump.
Oh.
Meron silang, sabi nila, this is our gas chamber. It's just tarpaulin na kinover what they do, yung cage, you put the dogs in a cage, my cage, cover it with tarpaulin, and then blast it with
Exhaust fumes.
What's funny is they're using a diesel engine.
Oh.
So wala carbon monoxide doon.
Oo.
Not even 1%. Wala. So yun yung ginagawa nila. After an hour, the dogs are irritable. The dogs are angry.
And they're not dead.
They're not dead, of course. Kasi
Okay.
lang yan the dogs probably had a splitting headache. So buhay pa. What they did, one by one, they took the dogs, pulled them out using yung hose, yung nose na gamit nila.
Oo.
Pulled them out and then dump each dog into a barrel full of water.
Linunod.
Linunod nila.
That's how they died?
But the dogs would struggle to, di ba?
Yeah, one
Keep
by
their
one.
Sinakal nila, linunod.
Oh, kasi siya yung nose nila, yung mahaba na may rope na you can control na pwede mo i-pull. So sinasakal and then dinadump nila.
Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine yung mga taong kaya gumawa ng ganyan, no? Parang it's so
It's
inhuman.
inhuman or
Oo.
Yeah, I understand now why you say it's not an animal welfare act.
Maybe, I was thinking baka yung mga members ng Committee on Animal Welfare, naintindihan nila
Haven't been out of
tambucho.
Manila.
Exactly. Hindi nila pa nakikita yan.
They haven't been out of Manila.
But
So,
I'm
in
sure
theory
Most
lang
of
nila.
them are vets, are not even practicing vets.
O, in theory lang alam
You
nila.
can ask Angel Mateo when was the last time he did a spay and neuter.
Oh, kasi government bureaucrat siya eh.
Yeah,
But
you
you
know.
have told him, you have told the members of the committee about this, I'm sure.
Oh yes, and so many other things. And as I said, we are given the opportunity to speak there and air our side. But whether they're listening is another issue.
That's true. It seems like that, no?
Yeah. It's like talking to a blank wall or
Mhm.
But is this done abroad? Itong tambucho killing.
no, of course not. It's another Filipino innovation.
But carbon monoxide, di ba
They do
ginagawa?
carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide done in its scientific and purest form, although it's being frowned upon by vet organizations in the US, and it's illegal in some states, but it's legal also in other states.
And then,
Well, their standards there in animal welfare is definitely higher than our standards.
Okay.
kasi if
So
you
what
had the
for
properly
them-
equipped
They're using
chambers.
proper chambers that are as big as this,
Yes.
and it's airtight. In fact, it looks like an operating room, and there's a glass window wherein they can
you
really
can
see
monitor what's going on, yeah.
and they're using cylinders,
Yes.
and so it comes out colorless, odorless.
Mhm.
So the dogs really, just fall down.
Yes, because
for
they
them-
become unconscious
Yes.
first before they die.
I think it's instantaneous.
Uh-huh.
Because as I said, their standards are much higher than ours.
Mhm.
That is, for them cruel already.
So if
for
someday-
for us, that's 100% improvement.
So if someday we had that kind of
Actually, we can do that
operation
here.
you will be
All
in
it-
favor of it.
As the phase out, because the ideal, of course, is the
Yes,
lethal
what's the
injection.
ideal? Okay.
Now that would be step 2. As a phase out, we remove tambucho, we go to that.
Mhm.
At least that's 100% less cruel.
Mhm.
The animals are, well, of course they die, but the
They suffer
pain
less.
is less.
Yes.
So, and that's what euthanasia is all about. You're finding ways. It's called mercy killing.
Yeah,
so you're finding
good death.
ways.
Yeah.
You're finding ways to lessen the pain,
Yeah.
because
I'm
the animal is
suffering.
going to die.
Yeah.
So bakit ayaw ito ng Animal Welfare Committee?
Their argument is there is none available in the Philippines,
Na?
commercially available in the Philippines, carbon monoxide in cylinders in its pure form. There is truth to that. Commercially, there's none available. But carbon monoxide in cylinders has been used for a long time here in the Philippines. It's available. The technology is there. But it's not just being sold or manufactured commercially.
Mhm.
It's widely used in the tuna industry.
Oh, okay.
That's why you get the tuna, the reddish tuna, the red tuna that really looks good when in sashimi. It becomes red because of carbon monoxide.
Oh, okay.
They inject pure carbon monoxide, and
Why? Bakit?
because
kailangan
there's
injection?
this process that I am not a chemist, I am not a doctor or a vet, but there's this, according to the chemist we talked to the other day, when injected with or exposed to pure carbon monoxide, the blood sort of enhanced. That's why the flesh becomes red of the tuna, and it looks very fresh.
Para matagal na fresh.
Parang in a sense, I think what it means is hindi nagsuffer yung animal.
Yeah.
Oo, bago mamatay.
Carbon monoxide has been used in the tuna industry particularly, and in the seafoods industry for export. They use that to enhance the not really to preserve the fish, but to enhance the freshness of the fish or the seafoods. So these big tuna exporters are producing that
Mhm.
in their own
Industry.
industry, but they don't sell that.
Oh, okay.
So-
You're saying that it's available.
The technology is there. Any technician with knowledge in this can manufacture that. It's safe. It's cheap.
Okay. Meron tayo ditong question galing kay Iya Akailar of Quezon City. Bakit hindi na lang suportahan ang mga advocacies ng mga animal welfare groups tulad ng sa pause at na adoption is the best choice kaysa pumatay ng maraming askal para mabawasan ang bilang nila.